How to delete all TikTok videos at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can go ahead and delete all of your TikTok videos on your profile or your account at once. So make sure to watch this video till the end, but before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now you have to understand that there isn't a specific or the official way that TikTok allows you to go ahead and delete all of your TikTok videos at once. There may be some of the third-party apps which are available on Play Store. There could be some of the premium plugins or services that could help you with it, but through the official way there is simply no other way other than deleting it one after another manually. But keep also in mind that whenever you use the help of the third-party application and so on, your channel could most likely face community guideline strike. So I would just advise you to stay away from it. So assuming that you want to delete all of your videos might as well mean that you want to delete your account as well. So instead, what you can do, an alternative solution, is to go ahead and delete your account. But first, let's just go ahead and explore what are the options that we have. We'll just go to the TikTok application and we'll go to our profile page. I want to delete a specific profile, let's say, or a video. I'll just tap on it, tap on the three dots, scroll all the way to the right, select delete video, and tap on the delete button, as you can see over here. But this is one after another, and obviously you will not be able to go ahead and then delete it all of the videos at once. So instead, what you could do is tap on the three lines on the top right, go to settings and privacy. Here you can go to account. Once you go to account, here you can say deactivate or delete account. Just tap on it. Once you go to deactivate or delete, select option called delete account permanently. And when you delete your account, obviously all of your videos are also going to delete it along with it. And you can just go ahead and create a new account. But hopefully this video answered your question, because as I told you, there isn't an official way. There could be some third-party apps that could help you with it, but not the official way. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.